Hey, so welcome back everybody to North Fork. Derek and
Adam.
we're here today. We're going to go down and help our neighbor work on the road. He's got a load of stone. He just gave me a phone call. He just got back from getting a load of stone. And going to go down here and fill some potholes. So I made two other videos, recorded the past couple of weeks. We kind of did the same thing, filling some potholes a little bit here at a time. And somehow I lost those videos on the computer or transferred them. Not 100% sure, but so try to get some video for you today. It's kind of windy today. It's a little cool out this morning, about 45 degrees, but it is nice and sunny, so should be a pretty good day to work on the road. So we got a load of 2RC, which is a modified. It's limestone with a bunch of clay in it. Works really good to pack into the potholes. Keep everything packed in nice and smooth, so that it's a lot nicer to drive on. So after the winter time, the potholes kind of open up a lot. They get water in them from the frost and the snow melt and everything. So it's really windy. Maybe you guys can hear that. So anyway, we're gonna head down here and see if we can get some of the road fixed up. Why?
Because your hand stuck.
Alright, so somewhere in there the battery died. I'm not sure how much we got until I get home and get it on the computer. But we just finished up. It's 2 loads today, so 8 or 10 tons. I'm not sure if it was 4 or 5 tons on each load. But it's getting pretty good. Another couple loads I think will be done for the year. And got the major potholes done. So still a little ones here and there, but you can usually swerve around and haven't missed that. But I think we're up to right around 20 tons right now. And so another couple tons, we'll probably have 30 ton on the road, the 2 miles from our place out to the main road. So not too bad overall, but thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.